Well, I figured today would be a good day to do a little, I guess, day in the life of a HVAC owner, business owner. Little backstory: my business partner and I have been doing this for 3 years overall. Finally went full time just this past April. I went full time in April. He joined me in May, a month later, and killing it all summer. Now we're kind of in that 70-degree kind of weird in between weather, you know, the slow time weather, and we don't have any job scheduled today, so we're just gonna do some admin stuff, probably do a little scrap, organize the truck, and if something comes in, it does. If not, we'll just kind of take today how it goes. And we had one job yesterday, a decent sized flue job that didn't take that long, but made some pretty good money on. And before then, it's just been kind of a job here and there come in. We have 76 maintenance contracts. I think I just spit. We have 76 maintenance contracts. Those will be starting, the furnace maintenances will be starting up here pretty soon. We don't want to start them a little too early and screw ourselves. So holding off on that. So if something comes in, it does. If not, we'll take you through the day, maybe record some of the admin stuff, the truck, if the rain, and then still a little bit. If that lets up, I'll probably pass out some door hangers, get going. Well, just passed out probably about 100 door hangers in this in my old neighborhood, actually, where I used to live.
Waiting for Perry.
So put out about 100 door hangers. We'll probably head back to my business partner's place and do a little admin stuff, reorganize our software that we use, House Call Pro, and might hit the supply house today just to bug them, get some free snacks. I think we'll probably head there next, but still kind of rainy. Chill, relaxing Tuesday. Just trying to drum up some work. Well, today's actually day 2 of the day in the life, because yesterday it got rainy and we didn't really do a whole lot after those last clips. So today, going over to a buddy of mine's house to help him clean out his garage. Since he's moving, he's got a lot of scrap, so we're gonna take it to the scrap yard and get a little money. Here doing the scrap, he's giving me these 3 AC units. I might rent those out or use them for customers next summer. He's giving me the compressor, so I'm keeping that. It just needs a new motor, so but I'm keeping this guy. And we're taking all the scrap. We'll go to the scrap yard. We'll probably make 20 bucks, but 20 bucks is 20 bucks. All right, here at the dump, got it all out. We'll see how much we made. All right, so how much did we make?
Made a whopping $18.90.
$18.90, let's go. See, this is what other small business owners aren't willing to do the scrap. That's $18 more that we have today.